Hi everyone! Welcome once again to Cooking with Tita. Today I like to share my mixed vegetable with tofu recipe with you. So come on, cook with Tita. Let's go through our ingredients now. I have 12 ounces of fried tofu, 12 ounces of mung bean sprout, 1 can of coconut milk, 3 tablespoons of hoisin sauce. Now if you know me, I always use 1 bulb of garlic. Okay? We're gonna use some soy sauce to taste, oil, any oil will do, 1 pound of string beans. I broke it off like this, washed already. All of my vegetable, it's already washed. 1 tomato, I sliced it like this. 1 medium onion, I sliced them up like this. 12 ounce enoki mushroom. Now if you know me, I like enoki mushroom. You don't have to have enoki mushroom as long as you have mushroom. Now over here I have a clamshell mushroom. Over here I have 1 bunch of basil. I love basil when I'm cooking with coconut. Okay, I washed them off already and I broke it off, you know, so just broke him off like this. All right, like that. Okay, so come on, let's start cooking now. Now that we're gonna use the frying pan, let's crank it up to medium. Okay, and then we're gonna put some vegetable or any oil that you would like to use. You can even use margarine if you want to. Just about 3 tablespoons or so. Okay, see that? That much. Okay, all right, now it's nice and heated up. We're gonna put our garlic, 1 bulb. Of course, for me the more the better, right? Okay, just kind of swish him around slightly like that. Okay, now to that we are going to put our onion. Okay, oops, get out of there, green. Alrighty then, squeeze him around, separate him of course. Okay, like that. By the way, this dish is vegan friendly. Okay, everything here is vegan friendly. Now we're gonna put our tofu. Now the tofu, it's already been fried, and now we're going to refry that tofu to give it a taste. You know, tofu, it's kind of bland. In other words, it doesn't have any flavor. Okay, but whatever you put with the tofu, it becomes that flavor. You understand what I'm saying? So anyway, just that. And then now we're going to put our hard vegetable. Okay, we're gonna put our string beans or beans. I call this string beans. They look like a string, so string beans. Okay, so we have our string beans in there. So kind of swish them around for good 1 minute or so. Okay, it's already looking pretty. Look at that. We're gonna put a little soy sauce. I wanna give the tofu a flavor. Now this dish doesn't take long to cook. Now we're going to put our 1 can of milk, coconut milk that is. Okay, right? By the way, the coconut milk I used is more like cream. 1 can of coconut cream milk. All right, now be sure that your tofu is getting all the yummy goodies. With all that being said, we're going to cover this just until the string beans get kind of tender. Like I've been telling you guys, when you cook vegetable, you don't want your vegetable to be mushy. So it's really good for you to cook all your vegetable al dente. So we're gonna cook that for 2 to 3 minutes, okay? We're gonna cover that and turn your heat medium high. It was high before, so now medium high, okay? You don't wanna burn the coconut milk in the frying pan or in a wok, okay? So let's put, let's say 2 minutes, and come back and you know, mix it again. Alrighty then, 2 minutes up. Mix, mix, mix. Okay, doke. Right, see how creamy that is. Oh, yum, 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 yum. All right, now you can also use some salt, but since I'm gonna use soy sauce and Hoisin sauce, I don't want to be salting. Look, this is bubbling away, right? So mix it again, right after the 2 minutes thing. Okay, leave it covered again for another 2 minutes. Don't forget, medium high, 2 minutes. Okay, so another 2 minutes is up. So it's the total of 4 minutes. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, the coconut milk really, ooh, smells so good. I want to see if the string beans already nice and tender, okay? It needs a couple more minutes. So we're going to put more of these things before. Like I said, use this to taste, okay? If you choose to use salt, go ahead and use salt. Let's cook this for another minute. Okay, 1 minute's up. Let me see. Oh yeah, yeah, looking good. Alrighty, nice and creamy. I cooked some pork chop to go with this. It's not vegan. Okay, pork chop is not vegan. It's for me, but this is vegan. This is for the vegan. Anywho, let's put our mung beans, sprout. Toss it. By the way, turn your heat to high now. Okay, high. Because we're going to be here now, you see. We're gonna mix everything in here now. Let it get coat with sauce that you have in there. So, that's that. Now, we're gonna put our enoki mushroom. If you can see, I broke it like so, okay? This mushroom, they call that clamshells mushroom, okay? All right, I have 2 different kinds of the clam mushroom, you see? I like these mushrooms. I like mushroom, period. Let's put that in there. Now the basil, you want to put the basil leaves just before you turn off your heat. So let's mix it now. Let's mix our you know, wow, it's looking really good now, you see? Okay, now you want to cook this for 5 minutes. Cover 5 minutes, okay? And then in 5 minutes, come back and toss this thing again, and then we'll go from there, okay? Oh man, let's cover. Alrighty, 5 minutes is up. Woo-wee. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, steaming away. Okay. Let me see. Ooh, yum. Alright. Ooh, the coconut smells so yummy. So this is a easy recipe and delish. Now we're going to put our hoisin sauce. Delish. Oh my goodness. Now if you want to put more than 3 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, that's definitely nothing wrong with it. Oh my goodness. Yep. It makes it yummy. Now we wanna taste our vegetable before we put our basil, because you don't want to overcook the basil leaves, okay? So we want a good flavor, and then we put our basil. Let me see. Oh, so sweet. Nice and sweet. Now you may want to put salt or more soy sauce, whatever. It's up to you, okay? Salt and soy sauce to taste. And I also mentioned to you that if you want to put black pepper in there, do so. Nothing wrong with that. Yum. Oh, yum. I want to put a little more of soy sauce. Just about 2 teaspoons. Oh my goodness, guys. You're gonna like this recipe of mine, because first and foremost, it's so easy. Yum. And this is so delish. It doesn't take long to prepare it, and it's healthy. Healthy. Okay, that's the most important. Now we're going to put our basil in there, okay? And then we're gonna switch it around just enough to coat the leaves, because you don't want to overcook the basil. Oh my goodness. If you just have a smell elevation, my friends, now when you cook this and you're gonna say, Tita's right. She is so right. That's it. You want to shut him off, okay? Shut off your thing, and that's it. I have my plate. I have some rice, pork chop. This one is not vegan for sure. You know that. This is the vegan, okay? Okay? And I would have some of this. Man. Oh my goodness. Smells so good, guys. So good. That's about it, guys. It's easy, healthy. So I hope you enjoy my recipe. Until next time you cook with Tita right here in my kitchen. As I always say, bon appetit. Bye.